This series is bite-sized media making. In this series, we go over really bite-sized, quick and succinct tips and tutorials for how to best utilize your media making skill using post-editing software. Have you ever been working on a project for multiple spaces only to open it and find a media not found message? The worst, but it happens to all of us. A lot of the time we move our clip's orientation, where it's saved on our computer, and Davinci has a hard time finding the pathway back to those specific clips. I'm going to teach you a really easy way to get those clips back and reattach them to the proper form. Let's get into it. So if you've ever ran into a screen that looks like this on Davinci, you know how frustrating it is. You want to just get to working on your project. There is a beautiful, beautiful magic button up here on the top left that is Relink Clip. If you hover over this red button right here, and I love that the colors match, so you kind of get the feel of this is where you should be going. If you click this, it'll give you the option spaces for where your clips might be on the computer. You click locate, you give it some time, and it will find the media by title. It's important to remember that the title has to be the same of each video in order for it to find it, even if it's in a different location. But if the title is the same, you can search through your different folders on your computer until Davinci basically creates a different pathway for finding these clips so that this doesn't happen again in the future. And once Davinci finds those clips, you'll see that they're reattached here at the bottom, and now you'll be able to see, hear, and experience your clips as normal. I hope this was a super helpful bite-sized media making tip. Please like and subscribe for more of these videos. Thanks for watching.